Welcome to automated resolution of terminated process on Linux operating system using Nagios and Rundeck. In this video, we are going to demonstrate resolution of identifying and restoring a terminated process from log files on Linux operating system using alerts from Nagios and resolution from the Rundeck. The complete process is orchestrated through the Jenkins pipeline. The tools which are used for this scenario are GitLab is used for source code management, Jenkins is used for continuous integration, Nagios is used for monitoring tool, Rundeck is used for runbook automation tool. Let's explore the workflow of automated resolution of terminated process restoration on Linux operating system using Nagios and Rundeck stage by stage. In the first stage, Jenkins job will pull the script from the GitLab. In the next stage, Jenkins will transfer and execute the script to the Linux node which has the instruction to terminate a process on the machine. After a few minutes, the log file is passed by Nagios for terminated process and alert message is shown on the Nagios dashboard for the Linux node. Now an alert mail is sent to the admin user and Nagios will trigger the Rundeck job. In the next stage, the Rundeck job will execute a script to restore the terminated process on the Linux machine. Once the Rundeck job completes, the terminated process would have been restored and it has come back to normal on the Linux node and the resolution email is sent to the admin user. Finally, the terminated process restoration resolved message is shown on the Nagios dashboard for the Linux node. Let's see the pipeline in action. First, let us check the Linux node on the Nagios dashboard. Now, let us trigger the Jenkins job. In the first stage, the Jenkins pipeline job is pulling the script from the GitLab. In the next stage, Jenkins will transfer and execute the script on the Linux node. In the next stage, the terminated process detail alert message is shown on the Nagios dashboard and an alert email is sent to the admin user. In the next stage, a Rundeck job alert is triggered from Nagios. Now, the Rundeck job will execute the script to resolve the terminated process and restore the same in the Linux node. Now, the Rundeck job will execute the process to solve the terminated process and restore the same on the Linux machine, and the resolved email from Rundeck is sent to the admin user. Finally, the resolution of the terminated process for the Linux node is shown on the Nagios dashboard and then resolved email is sent to the admin user. This is the complete workflow of automated resolution for terminated process on Linux operating system using Nagios and Rundeck. For more information, please browse www.ztf.com. Please follow us on social media, links are available in the description. Like, share and comment on this video. Subscribe to our channel for the latest happening on the DevOps. Thank you for watching this video.